Hey and welcome to Tech with Indie. Today we're going to unbox the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT. I decided to go with this graphics card. I really wanted the 6900 XT, but that was almost 400 or 500 euros more than this one. So times are a bit strange that the previous generation of graphics card is more expensive than this one. So the selection went to the RX 700 XT Asus OC edition. So let's see how it looks. Things are going great. There we go. Let's see how this is supposed to go. Like so. Ta-da! Let's take a look. Take it out of the box, and it's quite big. So, there we go. 3 coolers, a lot of cooling fans here, but that doesn't really matter because we're gonna put a water cooler on it. But sadly, as I picked up this card, I went to EK to order the water cooler, and it was sold out. So, just decide on the graphics card, the water block is sold out. So yeah, and there's a few features on this card. You have 2 different BIOSes on it. You have performance mode and quiet mode. You have 3 power outlets. What else you have here? You have your standard HDMI and 3 display ports. And let's see what else is in the box. Not much to say about that. Can we put it like that? Like so. What we have in the box here, we have a Asus, some stickers. Thank you for purchasing Asus, and then you have some, I think you can build a small graphics card stand. Okay. What's that? You have your certificate of reliability, and a manual. What else is down here? Oh, we have a stand to hold it. That's not. But again, we're gonna put it upright in the system, so we don't need the stand and we don't need the big coolers because we're gonna water block it when that becomes available. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. That's it. That's what's in the box. So next time, or soon, once we get the water block available, I'll do a video where we are putting the water block on the graphics card and tearing it down, and then we're gonna mount it in the system instead of the 37 Ti that's gonna go in a different computer I'm building for my wife, and hopefully that will also go up soon. Nothing more to say today. It's a small quick video. I hope to have more, but we need to wait for the water block to come available. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one.